Greetings, tribal members. I feel bad for what's just taken place with this COVID pandemic, but here at the Tribal Council, we're doing our best to try to help us get through this all together. This is one of the projects that we've purchased through the CARES Act. There'll be 34 units available for our quarantine program. That if you need to be quarantined or a loved one needs to be quarantined, you have a place that is furnished, it's brand new, and you're all welcome to be here.
Food provided for you if needed, or you could cook for yourself. These are all furnished and equipped with cooking facilities, anything that you need that could get you through these 14 days of quarantine.
To the Puyallup tribal members, the Tribal Council really does have your best interests in heart. We want everyone to stay healthy. This is just one of the many ways that we're working for you. We want to give a lot of gratitude to Denise Dela Cruz, who donated the furniture through a connection of hers and some volunteer work that she does, and our staff at the Puyallup Tribe, Lizetta, and all of the other movers that worked really hard to get this furnishing here for you, for your safety.
I hope this message finds each and every one of you well and safe. As my colleagues have mentioned before me, that this pandemic has lasted far longer than any of us could have ever anticipated. We've done a lot of work to make sure that our community is safe and secure, and just to make sure that we're able to provide a safe and healthy environment for each and every one of our members and our employees who work so hard to take care of our community each and every day. The plans for this building, aside from providing a quarantine place for those who cannot safely do so, we thought about making sure that folks, we know that many families in our community are multi-generational, and so we wanted to safeguard our community by providing a place where folks can safely quarantine. Beyond COVID, beyond the quarantine, this place has 34 units that we want to make sure is a safe living space for our elders, for our vulnerable adults in our community, for our young parents with children. And so our planned use beyond this COVID pandemic and the quarantine efforts is to provide safe and affordable housing for our community now and into the future. And I want to thank each and every one of our staff members who work so hard to take care of our community, from our folks who take care of sanitizing our facilities every day, to our security guards who are making sure our facilities are safe, to our health professionals, to each and every one of our program directors and employees who are working hard to ensure that services are available to each and every one of you members. We raise our hands to each and every one of you for this work that you do. And as Sylvia and Bill mentioned prior, this is all new to us. We're doing our absolute best to take care of each and every one of you, and so this is just one of the many efforts. We had to work hard to secure the funding from the federal government, through the CARES Act. We're working hard to make sure that the tribe is in line for the next round of federal relief funding with respect to COVID. So we're going to continue working hard for each and every one of you. Thank you.
Yeah. Good afternoon, Puyallup tribal members. I just want to say, upon bringing in our eldest elder, she had told me, she said, the biggest killer in the Indian community was tuberculosis. And I thought, wow, she's really telling me something that's really imperative and important to her to tell to me. Well, little did we know, we came into this pandemic, this coronavirus, shortly after. I never thought in my lifetime I'd ever see something of this magnitude, and as a leader, also have to take our tribe, flip it upside down, and find all these different alternatives through this virus and this disease. Unlike was said just previously before this conversation, it's very unprecedented, and we have been doing absolutely the best that we possibly can. And I'm sorry for the ones that have been affected by COVID, the ones that have tested positive, the ones that have already endured all the things they've already been through. And I really want to thank all the people that are out there that worked through this pandemic, that had gotten through this together, we do take that in consideration. That everybody's important, from employee to travel member, vice versa, however you want to put that. But that is important. We have to take care of each other during this time. What I do know is we're going to learn from this, and we're going to be better prepared for the future. If anything such of this nature, which we pray does not happen, we'll be ready for it. A little bit better prepared. And so I'm grateful to have a quarantine site, at this time, and all the work from the staff that put in the work to get us to the point of where we're at. So thank you.
Sahel o CEA DCI Chilla. Good day, honorable friends and relatives. We want to first and foremost thank you for your patience and understanding through this pandemic. We have been walking through this journey together. At times, very unknown circumstances have confronted us all. And we want to thank you for understanding and having the faith in us to walk us and lead us through this time. It has been very difficult at times, but we've managed, and we look forward to continuing to walk out of COVID with you all. It's a very exciting time. We know that housing has been a very big issue within the Puyallup tribe, and due to HUD regulations, at times we have not been able to offer just housing to our members. But as we safely and secure this building, as soon as the COVID is over, we will be able to offer these rooms to Puyallup tribal members only. And we look forward to making a safe environment for our families and our friends. We look forward to seeing you guys real soon, and we wish you all a very merry holiday.
Hello, Puyallup tribal members. My name is Monica Miller, Puyallup Tribal Council. I'm really sorry that we are going through this pandemic here with this COVID-19. It's serious, it's dangerous. We want to keep you guys all health and safety. We do have this new LUX apartment building with 34 units. You can apply for this here through our tribal housing with Joanne Gutierrez. The applications she is taking over there. The 34 units will be used at first for the quarantine. You can do up to 14 days here. It's for the family members, and it's also for our employees. And we have a lot of entities. That means all entities. EQC is also included in this, so is MVB. So make sure that you know that you do let the word get out there to the employees and friends and family that we are taking care of you. We all want you to be in good health and safe. So also we have where we're doing COVID testing. We've done it already, I believe, twice, 2 or 3 times, where we've done the free testing in the parking lot at the admin. We've done it a couple of times at the clinic in the parking lot. So if you guys do need testing, I know it is hard to get through the phone lines and the emails. It's because we're all working so hard and there's so many coming in. Please be patient and keep sending the emails. They will get back to you. If you do have the COVID and you can't get right into the testing, please go right to the ER. Your health and your safety is very important to all of us. So there is coming out a vaccine for this. I'm going to put this back over to our chairman, and he will explain this to you. Prayers for everyone in safety and health.
As Monica says, there'll be a vaccination program started up here soon. We find it can be imperative that we all take part in that vaccination. This has been a scary thing going on, attacking our elders, attacking everybody, especially our elders. I am proud to be working with a group of people here on Tribal Council that have taken this very seriously. It's a serious pandemic, and we're here to help you out and do what we can. And have good holidays. I know it's kind of hard to say, kind of hard to even think about, but that's where we're at today. We'll end up just fine.
Happy holidays!